morning to all of you. Now I am going to explain exercise 4.2 question number B1. Find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization. The first question is x squared minus 3x minus 10 is equal to 0. For finding its answer, we have to factorize this equation. For factorizing this equation, we have to split the middle term. Here middle term is 3x. We can write x square minus 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3 into x minus 10 is equal to 0. Now already we split 3 in the form of 5 minus 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. Then next one x square. After that we have to multiply this both the term by minus x. Here minus x also there. Minus x. Minus x into 5 minus 5x. And minus x into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 2x. Minus 10 is equal to 0. Now we can divide this equation into two parts, that is x square minus 5x and 2x minus 10. From the first part, that is x square minus 5x, we can take x out of the bracket. Here x square is there. X square means x into x. One x we taken out of the bracket, remaining x is there. X minus, here 5x is there, x we taken out, here 5 is remaining. Plus 2 we can take out from the second part. Here x is remaining. After that we have to divide minus 10 by 2, that is equal to minus 5 is equal to 0. Now there is one common factor, that is x minus 5. This we can take out, x minus 5. The remaining one is x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0. The product of two terms is equal to 0. Therefore, we can say any one of these terms should be 0. Therefore, we can write it here either x minus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then x minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 5. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 2. Here x minus 5 is equal to 0. Here minus 5 will go right side. It will be plus 5. It will be 5. Then here x plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, this plus 2 will go right side. It will be minus 2. Therefore, we can write it here. The required equation, required roots. Required roots are 5 and minus 2. Now question number 3. Root 2 x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here also we have to split the middle term. Middle term is 7x. We can split into 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore, root 2 x square plus 5 plus 2 into x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. The next one is root 2 x square plus, this both term is multiplied by x. 5 into x, 5x, plus 2 into x, 2x, plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. Here also we have to divide this equation into two parts, that is root 2 x square plus 5 and 2x plus 5 root 2. From the first part, we can take x out of the bracket. Here root 2 x square is there, we taken out x out of the bracket. Here root 2 x is remaining, root 2 x plus here 5x is there, x is taken out, 5 is remaining, root 2 x plus 5 plus, from these two terms we can take root 2 out of the bracket. It means 2x. 2x is equal to root 2 into root 2x. We can write root 2 into root 2, 2x we can write in the form of root 2 into root 2x. Root 2 we taken out of the bracket, root 2x is remaining. We can write it here root 2x plus here 5 root 2. Root 2 we taken out, 5 is remaining. Is equal to 0. Here common factor is root 2x plus 5. 2 times it came, therefore we can say this is a common factor. This we can take out. Root 2x plus 5 into x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Here also the product of two terms is equal to 0. Therefore, any one of these terms should be 0. Therefore, we can write it here either root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Here root 2x is equal to minus 5. This plus 5 will go right side, it will be minus 5. Then x is equal to minus 5 by root 2. Here x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to this plus root 2 will go right side, it will be minus root 2. Now we got the roots of the equations are minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. Roots of the equations are minus 5 by root 2 and minus root 2. Now question number B4. Find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Once again, find two consecutive positive integers, sum of whose squares is 365. Here we can write, let the numbers be x and x plus 1. These are the positive integers we can write as x and x plus 1. It is given that the sum of their squares is equal to 365. We can write here, it is given that sum of their squares is 365. Sum of the squares means the square of first number plus square of the second number. Therefore, we can write the first number is x square plus x plus 1. The whole square is equal to 365. Now we can write it here x square plus x plus 1 the whole square. This is in the form of a plus b the whole square. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore, this we can write, this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. Therefore, we can write x square plus 2ab, 2 into x into 1. This is a 2ab, that is 2 into x into 1 plus 1 square is equal to 365. Then we can arrange this one, x square plus x square, 2x square plus 2 into x into 1, 2x. Plus 1 square is 1. After that, this plus 365 will come to left side. It will be minus 365 is equal to 0. This we can write 2x square plus 2x. After that, subtract this one, minus 1 minus 365. It will be minus 364 is equal to 0. We can divide this all the term by 2. That is 2x square by 2, x square, plus 2x by 2, x, minus 364 by 2, 182 is equal to 0. Here we can split the middle term. Middle term is 1x. 1x we can split like this, x square plus 14 minus 30. 14 minus 13 is 1. 1x minus 182 is equal to 0. Then x square plus, after that multiple this both term by x, 14 into x, 14x, minus 13 into x, minus 13x, minus 182 is equal to 0. We can divide this equation into two parts, that is x square plus 14x and minus 13x minus 182. Then from the first part, x square plus 14x, we can take x out of the bracket, x is remaining plus here 14 is remaining. Minus 13 we can take out. Here x is remaining, again divide, minus 182 divided by minus 13. It will become plus 14 is equal to 0. Now, there is a one common factor is there. X plus 14. This we can take out. The remaining is x minus 13. X minus 13 is equal to 0. Here also product of two terms is equal to 0. Any one of these terms should be 0. Therefore we can write either x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. Then x plus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to minus 14. Minus 14. Then x minus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore x is equal to plus 13. The question there is given, these are consecutive positive integers. Therefore the answer should be plus 13. It is not possible to take minus 14 because according to the question there is already mentioned we need a positive integers. Therefore the answer is 13. The first number is 13. Here we can write first number is equal to 13. Second number is equal to 13 plus 1, that is equal to 14. Therefore the answers are 13 and 14. We can write here the integers are 13 and 14.